ready?
Yep.
Okay. And this is called stuffed apple. I need to be careful with the handle in this one. And very soft. And we have made two stuffed apple for the Father's Day. So what we are going to do is, we are going to show you, this is the way that they look like, and I can show you, how this made out. I can cut it one nicely, and I'm cutting it nicely. Although it's called stuffed apple, and we'll see what this inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stuffed apple. Stuffed with the banana and various other fruit. Passion fruit, kiwi fruit, and so many things that we have used here. Looking very great, very nice. And this is called the stuffed apple. And is this?
Want water? Okay.
What we did is we score the apple. Then after scoring the apple, we stuff with various other fruits, and so that is the super stuffed apple. Thank you very much for watching this beautiful piece of stuffed apple, and appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Thank you.